Guys, what did I just watch? What did I just watch? Usiza is holding a dagger, manje. Siga. Guys, what did I just watch? Like, I couldn't even fathom. Usiza uphethe umese uhamba uyasika yonke into wena mlenze wena yini. But now the thing is, I'm not sure whether uThandiswa ushonile or akashonanga or kwazusiza. They did not show us what really happened there. So now I'm just in suspense. I don't even know what happened because I am sure kodwa khona okwaziwe. And then now everyone is shocked, everyone is crying, everyone is screaming. We don't even know ukuthi kahle kahle la ngwenzakalani. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, abusheni molweni, minjani? Hiphukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana ngokwahina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma korosula sithamsekange kahle, looking at the fact that uSotosh is being a real nonsense now. Useka busy ngifuna lokho ngifuni lokho ngihamba lana ngihambi lana manje sekachomela omunye umntwana ngamaqanda wakhe athi amaqanda wakhe awasebenzi njani kwasha kwacima athi shisa mpama. Baba mshaya ngompama avela athi lalela wena ngathi indaba yakho ayisekho la ngicela usukume ungiphumela uhambe basathi uyahamba ke. Then the water broke uthi yabona ke lento enzile ke manje asazi ukuthi ubani manje naye sekatatazela uthukiwe akazi ukuthi ayenze kanjani. On the other hand ke uTeam sekashawa ngemvubu because they are not willing to pay, and it looks like it's not that they don't want to pay. The problem is that they are unable to pay because sebakoloda abantu abaningi. Hayi sisathi sabheke lokho Mr. Mayor went to the mountain and claimed the entire ubumnyameni to himself and his girlfriend. But again, from now on, sizophila impilo ebuthebelele emnandi sothatha irank soba igwili. Now the problem is there is khona lo mlisa lo engamazi. That just, well, I know him from TV, but I just don't know his character here. And it looks like that guy is going to be the king of Ebumnyama. He's going to be fighting Mr. Mayor. So now my assumption would be that Usiza uzoshona, but this guy will take over as Usiza, but not really Usiza. Because I don't know who that guy is, and it looks like he's very powerful.